Just wanted you to see that. Now I'm going around. I'll take the meter off. I'll plug this the rest of the way in. You got the new system in. It's plugged in. New power pack, whatever you want to call it. Nothing, guys. So here I sit, paid your company $5,600, had it for over a week, getting pretty frustrated. I put that power pack in. I'm gonna go back up and check all my connections. I guess I'll put the light on. I received that also. That back wall, there's no connection to one of the heater units. I'm not sure how to fix that, and I'm not sure why I should have to. I want something that works, or I want my money back, and somehow you can pick this thing up and I'll just make other decisions. I don't know what to do now.